I don't wanna be famous, I just wanna be rich. 40 mil with some makers, make up for my bitch.
Basically this video, it's springtime, we got the bikes. Picked them up from the shop. The bike's been sitting in the shop for the past 2 months. Excuse the cartoon, I got my son here with me. He's watching cartoons. Anyway, yeah, we did some riding around. If you forgot, for you guys who don't know my bike, I have a 2002 Yamaha R6. Here's a picture of it now.
The new fairings are in the house. So.
And now here's a picture of what I'm doing it to it right now with the black fairings. Or maybe it's a video, so.
It's a work in progress, but kind of excuse this back side. The front side and the back side. I just put, you see I had a dent in the gas tank, but plastic did kind of make it, it's not like an eyesore as it was before. On the color blue is an eyesore, but on black it's like barely noticeable unless you really look at it. But I mean, it's an R6.
Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna, once I finish all that work and everything, it should look pretty nice. I'll have it done by the week. I'll make sure I post a picture or something like that. Anyway, just a quick video. We just did some riding, a day of riding, and you wanna say hi, Tyler? You wanna say hi? Come on. Hey, you wanna say hi? I don't know. Yeah, so this is a day of riding, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. And the Uber about to go pick up the bikes finally. Springtime.
It's going down. Getting it.
Yeah. It's in the shop right now. Everybody in the shop right now had their bikes there for a long time, and now want to pick it up.
Your clutch and all that other shenanigans. It's
Nice
painful to have it take a little while now, but I don't want you to have to come back till next year. You know what I mean? So let's,
Let's see some of the shops.
Yeah. Yep.
Damn, these games.
Right. Yeah.
Some nice helmets.
Yeah. Yeah, as soon as I can, like I said, if not today, then Tuesday.
That's some nice accessories. Nothing crazy.
All right, which one you want to do first?
Take the one that you heard me? We going to that gas station right there, that brown corner. Yeah. Hold on, one car. Oh, we got cars coming. Oh, you right behind me. I know you right behind me. Oh, it feels so good, bro. That's my mirrors. I ain't never use that, man. It feels so good. This bitch, don't it? You said what? Huh? Oh, I'm sorry, I couldn't even really hear you. We are the fucking shit, man. Yeah, I need gas. Yo, son, you look fucking good. Huh? You look? Yeah. Yeah, we're definitely going to DC today, man. Hey, I think I need to turn my volume up too, alright? Huh? Hey, we can go to this. Okay, that was successful. Yeah, that was really successful. Hey, you should turn my volume up. Turn my volume up on this side or this side. Alright, let me turn yours up just in case it's not up. Oh, it's down. Alright, hello? Yeah, a lot better. Damn. My car is all over the place right now. We should have got around her, man. Camera right here, bro, too, alright? Epic video, yeah. Like, yeah. Yeah, what's it do? Got the police right here in front of me. Yeah. Yeah, so I mean, just in case. Yeah, just in no. Yeah, right. That's the one we went to. Remember, when my bike was fucking up. Remember, I said, what if the bike? Alright, you might as well leave it on. Oh, never mind. You should try. Huh? No, it's an R6. Yeah. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I know. I mean, yeah, both of them, yeah. Yeah, you guys will be on YouTube. Yeah. Huh? Alright, Moto-physique. I am. Look up Moto-physique. Moto-physique, like physique. Yeah. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. You guys will be on the YouTube, alright? Alright, look me up. Alright. Go down. Go down, we good. North. Oh shit. Right here, north, right here. Oh.
I'm the flyest nigga in the world. 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 Who you know that's better than me? Nobody. I'm the flyest nigga in the world. I'm the flyest nigga in the world. All my life is so cold. My ex took me for a joke. All these damn trash bags, but it ain't no trash in them.